Hello everybody, my name is Sofia Bee and you at the channel Beauty by Sofia Bee. And this is my guest.
Special guest.
Yes, special guest. This is my daughter, Amelia. And we're still working on your social media presence, right?
Yeah.
But I created this look and the whole thing that is happening, right? We are sitting home all bored.
Yeah.
Of course, trying to be healthy and trying to... Yes, and my husband is home so you can actually see and hear everyone that we all home.
Yeah.
And I thought it would be a good idea for us to create a really funny video where I do this makeup. This is the makeup that I created, and by the time this video is gonna come out, it's gonna be my birthday. My birthday is April 1st.
April Fool's Day.
I know, April Fool's Day. And yeah, so Amelia is gonna make fun of it and make fun of all the stuff that I do.
Yeah.
I'm only happy. I think it's amazing that you know, family that can work together, stay together. I think it's very, very incredible. And the next video actually gonna be my husband who's gonna be making fun of my videos.
I don't even know half of the things she puts on, so it's gonna be pretty like...
It's gonna be fun, huh? I think it's gonna be really fun.
Yeah.
So I'm super excited and let's see how it's gonna turn out. I'm actually a little scared. I probably should be.
Yes.
And we actually have a really funny deal. We did, like, you know, I showed how to do the nails.
I have one on.
Yes, so we're gonna need to finish your nails. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up, ring the bell,
and don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe. Exactly. So thank you so much for watching.
Stay tuned to subscribe. Yeah.
Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, so yeah, it's Amelia. I'm doing the audio for my mom, and yeah, so right now she is patting, I think, foundation on her. That's eyebrow gel. Oh, never mind. That's for the eyes, I guess. Now, yeah. That's a toothbrush for your eyebrows to like get rid of like any like things to like get out. Oh, okay. Now she's making her eyebrows darker. Yeah, gotta get that curve. Okay, that's powder to put on your eyes. So she's putting on the powder with her really pretty blue eyes. Oh, that's eyeshadow. Dark or brown eyeshadow. Now she's putting it around the eye. You gotta rub it in, you know, rub in the eyeshadow. I didn't know you could put it like on the top like my mom does. Like she goes all out. But when I do my makeup, like I just do a little bit and like the one thing that she taught me. Yeah, so she's just putting it around her eye, her like, you know, like the top of her eyes. The light or dark brown, I forgot which color. Look how pretty my mom looks. Look at her arched eyebrows. Like, let's just admire that beauty right there. Like, those pretty eyebrows. You know, and those pretty eyes that she has. Pretty blue eyes. Now she's grabbing something. Oh, that's a brush. Okay. Now she's going to do the dark brown on the, like, outer part of her eye. I don't know what makeup she's doing. Like, I don't know what her look is going for. But I think it's, like, the, kind of like smoky eye a little bit. she's putting it around the eye, like on the outside. That looks fun. Now she's grabbing the light brown. She's putting it again over her eyes, like on the top. She's doing it still. Let's admire her, like, you know, her bump on the top of her head that she does with her hair. Like, it's so pretty. And the curls. So pretty. And then, yeah, she's just dabbing it. Now she's using her finger. Yeah. Oh, now she's using the end of the brush. Now that's glitter, I think. Yeah, glitter with her. Now she's putting it on with her finger. And she's putting it in her inner eye. Looks very pretty. Very nice. She's just dabbing it and kind of like mixing it. You know, gotta get that perfect lighting. Gotta get the perfect eye. Oh, now she's grabbing the white eyeshadow and she's putting it on her eye. And she's just making it a bit lighter. I don't think it's the smoky eye anymore. Because it's not that smoky. Yeah. Does anyone remember like how like hot it was last year in the summer? It literally reached 120 degrees. Anyways, back to makeup. Yeah, now she's putting the dark eyeshadow again on her like outer eye part and like kind of over the eye, like everywhere. And she's searching for something. She's grabbing her pinky and getting the light eyeshadow, putting it on her eyes, her like I forgot what they're called, but like it's like the inner eye, you know, like at the end of the eye, or at the start of the eye, you know. Yeah, so yeah. It's a good way to do it. Yeah, now she's grabbing her eyeliner. I don't know how people do it. Like, it's so, like, good. Like, I can't do eyeliner. It's not good when I do it. Like, my mom's professional at it. And I don't know how she does this because it's so good. Oh, now she did her eyebrows and she's, like, and she's, making her eyebrows look, better, I guess, like arched, I guess. Now she's putting stuff under her eye, and now she's curling her lashes, her beautiful lashes that she grows, or that grow, yeah. Sorry. Now she's putting on mascara. She's really good at doing mascara too. And yeah, there's one. Now she's grabbing makeup remover. I don't know why she's doing that. Oh, she's putting it under her eye. Her face, kind of like under her eye, yeah. I don't know what that's for. Oh, she's making the like the makeup under her eye like more like sharp. Yeah. Like, you know, like the eyeshadow more sharp. Now she's grabbing I don't know what that is. Oh, but she's shaking it very, very hard. Oh, that goes on the nose and the cheekbones. Okay, now she's just rubbing it on. Oh, she's doing it again. I don't know what this is for. She told me what this is for, but I forgot. Forgot what this is for. Now she's grabbing the sponge. Always make sure it's wet as she's wetting it with by Derma. Yeah, she's showing it. She's wetting it. And make sure to dab. dab that makeup on. Yes. Yeah. Now she's just putting that thing on. I don't know why though, but oh, she waved hi. Hi, Mom. Love you. You're doing a great job. Yeah. So I think she's making her nose smaller. I'm not sure. Like arch, like, you know. Yeah. Oh, now she's grabbing powder again. And with a brush, a bigger brush. And she's putting it under her eye once again. What does this do? I don't get it. I'm so confused. Okay, now she's grabbing a brush, a bigger, way bigger brush, and like dabbing it. And now she grabbed, I don't know what that is. Blush, yes. Gotta get the blush. So pretty. Yes, get the blush. Smile! That's, I don't know what that is. But it's also blush. I'm not sure. Now she's putting on her eyebrows and her cheekbones. Is that more blush? I'm so confused. Oh, now she's getting the lipstick pencil and she's outlining where she's gonna put her lipstick to make it cute. You know, gotta get that, like, cute thing. Oh, now she's putting on lipstick. So pretty. Now just, like, rubbing it. Yeah. Ooh, lip gloss. I love lip gloss. That's a really pretty lip gloss. I used to not like lip gloss, but now I like lip gloss. Ooh, look how pretty my mom looks. She's so pretty. Love you. Bye. Love you guys. Pretty mom.